Hello guys, so how is it going? I hope everything is going well. So in this video I'm going to talk about Indian number systems. So in previous lecture I already talked about number systems. Okay, so number systems like natural number, whole number, triple number, composite number, triple prime numbers, and rational, irrational. These are the numbers, these are the comes in the number system. But in this video I will talk about Indian number system. So actually, what is an Indian number system? Indian number system is nothing but we in our daily life we are counting like monies and something. You are using the Indian number systems like it's a 1 lakh, it's a 1,50,000, like it's 1 crore, 60 lakh, 7,000, 300, like that. These are the counting way of our Indian number systems. Indian number systems. Okay, so actually mostly people know till crores. Okay, so if you compare to the other people, most of the people know till crores and they are know from Arav and crores. They know that only. But actually, if you talk about some people like who is in classes, older classes, or otherwise in higher school, they will say that once 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Then after they talk about 10 lakhs, then after million. So it's a not million, billion, trillion is a Indian. It's a not Indian number system. It's an international number systems. Okay. So Indian number systems, what will come after the crore? These are the question. Okay, so actually mostly people mistakes after the crore, so they did not know, they didn't count after that crore. They can easily count till crore, then after the crore they didn't count. Why like that? Okay, so in this video I will tell everything, how much our Indian number system is that and where it is end. Okay, so let's start it. So when I talk about Indian number systems, we are counting like ones, tens, hundred. Okay, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, Arab, 10 Arabs, Kharabs, 10 Kharabs, Nils, 10 Nils, Padmas, 10 Padmas, Sankh, 10 Sankhs, Mahasankh, 10 Mahasankhs. Okay, so till here our Indian number system is there. Okay, like if you count our international number system, it's million, billion, trillion, like that. So our Indian number system is ended here, Mahasankh. It's end here, 10 Mahasankhs. Okay, so actually, if you see here, I already told you it's our number system is like ones, tens, hundred, thousands and thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, Arab, 10 Arab, Kharab, 10 Kharabs. But why I written here some ones, thousands, lakhs, crore, Arabs, Kharabs, Nils, Padmas, Sankhs, Mahasankh, and here 1, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000s, and here 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. Why I written here 10 power 20? Why I written here like that? Okay, so it's a question come in your mind. Definitely it will become. So actually our in our Indian number systems, if you see why here I'm written in ones, there is a 3 in that. Ones, tens, hundred in only once. Why I written thousands in 2,000, 10,000s? Why I written lakhs in lakhs, 10 lakhs? Okay, if you observe here, after the thousands, 1,000, 10,000, the number is changed here. It's a lakh. So how many lakhs it is? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. After lakhs, the number is changed and it's go to the crore. And in crore, there is a crores and 10 crores. Okay. So if you see there is after two digits, the number is changed. Okay. So because of that I written, and the question is that why you written in 3 here. Okay. So in the end of that I explain you very clearly why I am written. So let's see first of all why I written ones 1, tens 10, 100 100, and thousands 1 triple 0. Why I written here? So actually, and here I written power. So actually, if you observe, some people say that how many zeros in lakh? They are asking like that question, and some people ask that how many zeros in crore, how many zeros in 10 lakhs, like that. Okay, so actually because of that I written. If you see here, in ones there is a no zeros. In the 10 there no, nothing is there, it means nothing. In the tens, if you don't go there, like that only ask how many zeros in 100, you can say 2 zeros. Okay, so I written here 10 to the power of 2. Why? Because when you multiply 10 into 10, that is already 100 only. That will be 100. How many zeros in lakhs? Okay, so here I written 10 to the power of 5. It means that 10 is 5 times. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. If you do it multiplication, you got, that's how many zeros in 10? 5 zeros. If you compare in lakhs, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Because of that I written in the power. You can remember that. So if I ask you how many zeros in Nils, so you definitely say that 14, that's 13 zero in nails, and 10 nails there is a 14 zeros. All right, I hope you understand this why I'm written here. Okay, because of the you can understand how many zeros in lakh, how many zeros in crores. Because of that I written here 675, and it's represent 0. If 10 to the power of 8, it means 8 zeros. If 10 to the power of 7, it means 7 zero in that. If 10 to the power of 6, it means 7, it means sorry 6 zeros in that. Okay, and here 10 to the power 5 means, it means that 5 zeros in that. Okay, so I hope you understand this. And now I already tell that I will discuss in this end. So actually I explain you why is it in 3 and then after it's 2 to 2. Okay, so if you say that actually if I talk about any number, if I say that take 56,200. Okay, I written here 56,200, and I say that put a comma there. Can you put a comma in internet in the number systems? So how will you put that comma? Will you put the comma like that? Like that you will put? Not, we can't put like this. It's the wrong way. So how will you put it? Okay, so can you tell me how you do? First of all, we will put after 3 digits, then after 2 digits we will put a comma in Indian number systems. Why like that? Suppose I written a number here 86546765007. All right, I written like that number, and I tell you just put a comma in that, and just explain it to one in words. So how can you do that? Okay, so you say that we will put after 3 digit, then after 2 digit. Why? Because of that I written here once in 3, then after 2. Understand here why after 3 digits I put it comma, then after 2 digits. Because after 3 digits we put a comma because of the it's a ones place only. In that one place there is a ones, tens and 100 comes. In that if you compare ones have not you can pronounce that ones. We can normally say ones, tens, 100, but can we say that 100, 10, 100? We can't say that. Okay, have you ever say that 10, 100? Yeah, otherwise any people say that 10, 100. No, actually in the if you write the number system, can you say that if I write here suppose I did 65. Okay, so I write here 6507. Can you say that 6507? Can you write it? No, actually if for the understanding purpose it's correct, but when you write in words that will be wrong. We write like that. If I write just only I said that 65,007, you can't say that. We can say that 6,507. We can say like that. Why? Because these have no tens. There is no value of that. There is that's one. Ones is only one, tens is only one, and 100 is only one. But when you come to the thousands have 2 parts. That 1,000 and 10,000. Lakh have also 2. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crore have crore and 10 crores. Arab have also Arab, 10 Arabs. Kharab have also Kharab, 10 Kharab. Nils also 10 Nils. Padmas, 10 Padmas. Sank, 10 Sanks. Mahasank, 10 Mahasank. Because of that here is we will write at 3 digits, then after 2 digits. Why we put comma after that? Because of the 3 digits, then after 2 digit. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now let's take an example and see let us to understand how much you understand. Okay, so if I write here number something 7865430241. okay, so I written here. First of all, put a comma here. So let's put it after 3 digits, then 2 digits. But in international number system, after 3 digits you will put comma, because in international number system we count like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Because of that we put the 3 comma in that. But in our number system we count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Because of that we put 3 comma, 2 comma. Already I explained you in the previous. Okay, so I just put it comma here, and I told you I say that count this number. So how you will count? Will you count like that? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab. Okay, so if you see that, you can see that number. Yeah, it's a 3, it's a 5, it's 7, it's 8, it's 9. 9 means it's odd of only. You can see that and you can say don't count like that. See, 9 power, it means odd of only, but otherwise you can easily count like that. Otherwise you see, if you remember that, you can see it's a 9 digit, it means it's a odd of. So you can say that I tell you how will you count it. It's a 7 arab 86 crore 54 lakhs 30,000, okay, 241. Is it clear for you? Okay, so in Indian number systems, is it like that only? So let's practice. I can tell you, suppose example, let's say take another examples. 876540. Okay, so after 3 digit and after 2 digit. So can you say, can you write it one, can you write this in words? So how will you, let's count. It is how much? 3, 5 and it's 6. It means if you see here, it's a 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 6. It means it's a lakh. Okay, so if you count thousands, it will be, and it's lakh. Why? Because 5 zeros, it's a number. 1 2 3 4 5, it's a 5 0 means it's lakh only. Okay, if you count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, it's a lakhs. So 8 lakhs 76,546. Okay, I hope you understand this. So I hope you remember from till here our number system, Indian number system is till here only, 10 Mahasank. Okay, remember this, it's very important because lots of the people, if you compare to the 10 people in the team, in the 100%, there is a 40% people know till here, otherwise 60% people know crore, then after here only, till here they know. Okay, so don't do its mistake, okay, don't do that mistake. You remember till here. Okay, Mahasangha, it's very important to actually, it's on everyone not give that basic ideas to you. Okay, so if you search and if you try to understand, you can easily you can occupy it. Okay, so I hope you capture this all whatever I told you in that. Okay, so our video lecture is totally completed, Indian number system. In the next video I will talk about international number system. In previous video I already talked about number systems. Number systems means like natural number, whole number, prime number, triple prime, co-prime, composite numbers, and real number, irrational number, triple primes. These are the etc number which I discussed in our previous classes. Okay, so if you didn't watch that, you can go and watch that. I hope you understand this, and we will meet the next lecture. Jai Hind.